Okay, let's dive into this. Today we're unpacking the Centellian24 Madeca Cream Time Reverse. It's a Korean skincare product, and it's making some really big claims. I mean, the main promise is pretty extraordinary. It says it tackles 10 different signs of aging, all in one jar. Things like wrinkles, elasticity, density, hydration, the whole list.
10 signs is a huge claim.
Yeah.
It makes you immediately ask, okay, is this some kind of, weapons grade skincare engineering, or is it just clever marketing?
hmm
So our job here is to look into the formula, the science, and what people are actually experiencing to see what's really going on.
Right, and when you look inside the jar, the concentration is, well, it's pretty intense. They've packed it with 12 different types of Centella Asiatica extracts. And this isn't just filler, apparently. The idea is that different parts, different extracts offer slightly different benefits, different molecular weights, and things like that.
Exactly. They're trying to capture the full spectrum. And the real star isn't just generic Centella. They're highlighting something called active teca.
Active Teca. Okay, that sounds a bit like marketing speak. What does that actually mean in, like, scientific terms, for those of us learning?
That's a fair question. So teca stands for titrated extract of Centella Asiatica. It's basically a highly purified version. It focuses specifically on the most potent compounds:
Right.
madecassic acid, Asiaticoside, and Asiatic acid. Think of it as the real powerhouse part of the plant, refined for maximum effect.
Gotcha. So concentrated good stuff. And then they bundle this Teca with other ingredients.
hmm It's combined with hydrolyzed collagen, hyaluronic acid, the usual suspects for hydration, and also glycogen. They call it a triple benefit system, aiming for that moisturizing, tightening, and glowing effect all at once.
Okay, it sounds very complex, lots going on in there. But does all this complexity actually translate into real results? Is the science solid?
Well, for the main ingredient, Centella Asiatica, the science is definitely there. There's good clinical data showing it can reduce inflammation, boost collagen production, and speed up wound healing, if it's formulated correctly. So foundationally, yes, it supports skin repair and anti-aging.
And that seems to line up with what many users are saying, at least for certain skin types. People with dry, mature, or maybe combination skin often report better hydration, feeling firmer. And importantly, even though it sounds rich, they say it sinks in well, doesn't leave that heavy, greasy feeling behind.
True, for some users, but, and this is a big but, it's definitely not a magic bullet for everyone. There's a bit of a plot twist here. We saw quite a few reviews from people with oily or acne-prone skin, and for them, it was a different story. Breakouts were a common complaint. One reviewer even mentioned their acne got noticeably worse after just using it for about 2 weeks.
Ah, okay. That makes sense, actually, when you think about how much is in it. Didn't the source say something like 88 ingredients, including, what was it, 4 essential oils? That's a lot.
It's exactly 88 ingredients. And while that richness might be fantastic for dry or mature skin needing heavy-duty support, that sheer number of ingredients, plus the essential oils, really ramps up the potential for irritation or clogged pores, especially if your skin is already sensitive or prone to breakouts. Texture reviews were mixed too. Some loved it for night, others found it light enough. Seems very dependent on skin type. So putting it all together, the cream can deliver on its promises, but primarily for the right audience. Think dry, mature, maybe combination skin. The Korean skincare science behind the core ingredient is strong, but that same richness and complexity make it, frankly, a bit risky, probably a hard pass if you lean oily or struggle with acne.
Right, so knowing your skin type is absolutely crucial here. It's not a universal fix. Okay, here's something to think about as we wrap up. This cream uses 12 different Centella Asiatica extracts. What does that intense focus on variety tell us about how formulators might be trying to maximize benefits from botanical ingredients? Does combining different extracts, maybe targeting different molecules, offer something significantly more than just using one single standard extract? It's an interesting angle on formulation strategy, something for you to ponder.